Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's video, we're going to try some brand new gel polishes and we're going to create a really simple St. Patrick's Day nail look. These gel polishes from Nail Reserve I've never tried before, so we're going to test them out. We're going to create a set of press-ons on the shape Short Almond, and we're going to dive into the first color, which is called Everyday. And I really wanted to test out a white color because sometimes when you are playing with white gels, they can definitely be hit or miss, and I am really looking for that perfect milky white. So I thought this color right here would be the perfect way to test it out. So I'm noticing that the coverage, I really like this brush, and we have really good coverage with that first coat. So I cured for 30 seconds, and here's what we're working with. It is just a really pretty, just wash of milky white, but I want to build it up just a little bit here. So we're going to go ahead and do another coat. And I like the brush. The polish is applying really nicely over the nail. Now I am applying this to a jelly tip that does not have a layer of gel base to it because I really wanted to see how it was going to apply on that bare jelly tip, and it did not disappoint. So I'm actually really surprised by how well this coverage is and how beautiful this looks with two coats. So we're going to end up adding this color to two other nails, and then this is going to be our foundation, and we're going to end up doing a little bit of nail art. Then we're going to dive into kind of like a finer glitter, and then we're going to play with one of their chunky glitters because I really wanted to see how those would perform as well. And right here you can see that color difference of the two coats versus one, and either way honestly they look really beautiful whatever look you're going for. And another reason why I wanted to test these out is that their formula is vegan, cruelty free, 21 free. They also prioritize in selecting the most safest ingredients that they are putting inside their gels, and I really like that transparency that they provided right off the bat. So that was one of the reasons why I really wanted to see how these performed. But I'm already liking this first color. This is definitely a great color to have in your collection. You're going to be able to do so many things if you want just like that perfect milky base all over color, or you could do like some French tips. This is a great background that you're going to see here in a minute to enhance some nail art. If you like doing any nail stamping or decals, this right here is a great just overall color because it's still light enough. It's not that harsh white. You just have this beautiful, delicate, milky white. Now we're getting into the next color, which is called Forest Mural, which is a beautiful shimmery green. And I like this because it has like that micro fine glitter base to it. And then it has just like a little bit of like a medium sized glitter mixed in. And it just gives the nail a little bit of dimension. I really like the coverage of this. It's a thinner viscosity, which I prefer because we're getting really good coverage. And a lot of times when you're playing with glitters like this, they can be on the thicker side, which then adds bulk to that nail. I'm not experiencing that. Everything is looking really good. So here's the coverage with one coat after I cured for 30 seconds. And I really like how this looks. That sparkle is everything. It's a very just delicate, fine sparkle, but we're going to build up this green a little bit more by doing another coat so we can really see what this looks like. And since this is a very thin formula, you can easily do 3 coats if you want. But for today, we're going to do 2, and I really like the sparkle payoff that we're getting with that second coat. And here's what it looks like cured. That sparkle is shining through. It almost has a little bit of like micro reflective going on, and I'm totally here for it. So this is going to be our all over colored green nail, and this set would not be complete without that traditional just yellow gold. So I figured gold glimmer would be the perfect gold accent that we need for this set to just really kind of tie the whole St. Patrick's Day vision together. So this one right here, it's more of a chunkier glitter, and you can see I'm actually kind of surprised how easy this is working because I'm applying this to the tiniest nail right here because I really wanted to see the chunky on the smallest nail. And here's what it looks like cured. So the key is when you're working with a glitter or a gel polish that looks like this, that has the bigger glitter pieces in it, before you pop that in the lamp, just kind of let it just sit and just kind of just level itself out. Then go ahead and stick that nail in the lamp. It makes all the difference in the world. And these glitters laid super flat, and I'm really loving just like the bling, the effortless bling that we're getting here with this color. I love it so much. This is definitely your traditional just like yellow gold, but I really think this would be beautiful for an all over like white gold color. And here's what we're working with before we add any nail art to it. I really like this set. It's very simple, and now it's time to see how these glitter polishes perform with a little bit of nail art. So enough chit chat. Let's dive in and finish up the rest of the nail art and see how these perform, and then I'm going to pop back in at the end with my final thoughts.
I don't wanna lie, 'cause I know you hate it, but right now I'm stuck in the middle. I stumble while I try, 'cause you don't wanna give in. Sounds like we're just talking in riddles. 5 in the morning, all we do is fighting. Thought you'd come and make it right. I need a pause from the battle, but I don't think you settle. You don't wanna get it right. I will leave it up to you. I will leave it up to you. Now I'm done and down the line. I will leave it up to you. I know you think about every time I'm out, and sometimes so we're texting back. But baby, don't you know I will come around and let you know I'm always coming back. 5 in the morning, all we do is fighting. Thought you'd come and make it right. I need a pause from the battle, but I don't think you settle. You don't wanna get it right. I will leave it up to you. I will leave it up to you. Now I'm done and down the line. I will leave it up to you.
All right, we're just finishing up that little bit of nail art. I'm just going to create a little design right at the tip there, but how gorgeous is this green? And I was completely blown away by how easy it was to create some fun nail art. Then to seal up this mani today, we're going to go in with a layer of gel top coat. I'm going to apply that to all the nails and cure for 30 seconds. I personally can just do a layer of gel top coat. I don't experience any flaking or peeling, but if you've ever experienced that, if you just went in with a layer of gel top coat, try going in with a layer of gel base first, curing for 30 seconds, then go in with your gel top coat. So my final thoughts on Nail Reserve, is it worth it? I definitely think so, and here's why. I really like the formula. I think it's very user friendly for whatever skill set you have. I just do my nails at home for fun. I just feel like they were very easy to use. The formula glides over the nail nicely. The color payoff is there. Another reason why I do think they're worth it is because the formula, they are picking the cleanest and safest ingredients. They're vegan, cruelty free, 21 free. And another reason for me personally is that they do not have that very strong chemical scent to them. Sometimes when you are playing with any gels that have that 21 free formula, they have a strong chemical scent to that. I'm not experiencing that with these gels. And the main reason is that they were just overall really easy to use. And what I mean by that is I didn't have to work hard by adding tons of layers to get that desired color payoff or that desired sparkle. They were just a really overall, just a great formula. And Nail Reserve has a wide color selection on their website. You're definitely going to find colors that you gravitate towards. That was probably the hardest part for me, was to pick which colors I wanted to try because there was just so many beautiful ones to choose from. And if you tried Nail Reserve, let me know in the comment section what your go-to colors are. I would love to check them out. And if you're interested in Nail Reserve, click on that description box. It will show you everything that we used in today's video. So I hope you enjoyed this very simple St. Patrick's Day set. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next one.